What up, y'all? Welcome back to finding the best grunge performance of all time. Of course, we're sticking on Alice in Chains, 1990, in Seattle, August 21st at the Off-Ramp, which those of you in Seattle know that's now called El Corazon, and you may have even played there. This is super dope. Last week we did Sunshine. This week, we're going to do the very next song they do, and that's Confusion. Now, since this is 1990, Facelift is all they got, and honestly, one of my favorite albums of all time. Let's go. This is kind of like before they found their super grunge side and it was very much heavy metal. Let's listen to Confusion. If you don't know this song, you're in for a treat, man. Woo, listen to that tone. This is grunge. They're getting it. No breath, man. He just goes. Come on. Holy Dude, Jerry's chords, listen to these chords. Sounds like sus 2 chords sliding up and around. I don't know the chords. I don't even want to dive into it. What I want to focus on is how good is Layne Staley's voice in this. It pierces through even this crappy bootleg video. You can hear how awesome this must have sounded in the venue. Imagine being at this show. I've been to tens of shows at El Corazon, and nothing has blown me away like this. I mean, this would have been amazing. On scared knees you crawl. I want to set you free. Ow, blues. Yeah. Recognize my desires. And then they do love, sex, pain, confusion, suffering, octaves. You're there on the root. They're just doing octaves on the root, which I think is F sharp. I think he's tuned up for this one. They're in standard. Well, they're in, E, A, D, G, B, E, but it's down a half step. But last week they were in drop D, so everything's different. Now they're in a standard kind of, power chords like this. And I see his hand on the second fret, it looks like. So F sharp, I think, is the key we're in. He's going, so they're going, love, sex, pain, confusion, suffering. And then Jerry's, love, sex, pain, confusion, suffering. And then the guitar is, dum, 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 dum. Right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the relative minor is just going up the scale. Let's keep it going. The guy filming, I need a beer. Somebody, I'm recording history. Somebody give me a beer. for later. Recognize my disease. Gets, the more you can hear the lack of rhythm guitar. Camera skipped. No rhythm. There it is. Can I just say how good Jerry is at going from lead to rhythm? Like, he's the only guitar player right now, so he's got to remember that. So for the solo, he can go off, but when Laynes starts singing, he's got lead, but he's also got some nice rhythm there. Kind of goes back and forth. Listen to the beginning of the solo. He stays low, so it sounds like there's a rhythm guitar. Like, listen. Still low, and then goes back low. Like right here. Oh. And now he goes up and does his stuff. Lip, listen to that, like diminished run or something. Right here. Oh, chromatic. Chromatic is when notes right next to each other. No, 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 no. I meant falsetto. Da 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 da. Right? Chromatic. You guys know. Okay, so they're both groove. They're both doing lead. And then perfect. Layne goes up, Jerry goes down. Boom, they hit at the same time. More lead to lead us into verse 3. Variation. Let this be a lesson to y'all in songwriting, man. That is perfection. It goes from verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. I mean, there's a solo in there too, but it's perfect songwriting. The lyrics are dark. The lyrics are full of despair and angst, as they usually, and lovingly, as they usually are. The lyrics are dark and angsty, as they usually are. And Jerry's guitar performance is perfect, but you might be wondering, love, sex, pain. On the word pain, the guitar goes up a whole step, so they're clashing a little bit. How does that work? So we got this chord over this note is perfect. The next one, what's going on? The next one, it's kind of resolved, and the next one, it's kind of resolved. Like, there's not a lot of tension in those, but the dum, dum, there's tension in that second chord there, and that works. Now, the main thing about this song I like is Layne's vocals. Surprise. The way he saved it for the end. Yeah! gonna set you free, or recognize my disease. Yeah, right. He saves that, and sometimes he goes yeah, so that verse 2 or chorus 2 is kind of less intense. That way, verse 3, if he did it all the same, kind of like he does on the album. Now, on the album, he does climb and build, but they build even more here. And the slowness and the sludginess and the length of the verses make when the chorus hit that much heavier, and the crowd responds, and you can see them. As soon as that chorus hits, they go absolutely batshit crazy. Listen to how slow it's been, slow for so long, and listen to when it hits, it hits. All that angst in the crowd is just hibernating. There you go. He like, recognize my disease. He like really opens up and fills it out. Guys, if you're having a good time and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. And while I wait for you guys to do that, if you're new here, why don't you subscribe? That'd be pretty cool, huh? The more subscribers, the more videos I'm gonna do. So click on subscribe. Thank you so much. Put your comments below on what live videos of Alice in Chains you want to listen to next, or Chris Cornell, Soundgarden, any sort of grunge, AC/DC, I don't know, any band really. But we're starting with grunge. Maybe we'll go into classic rock stuff because there's a lot of cool live performances out there that I have heard and that I haven't heard. I think we're gonna do that Letterman Alice in Chains when he's on Letterman. Lane. He's got slick back hair. He's got that goatee, and they do toot toot. Again, toot toot into We Die Young. It's super sick. I think we're going to do that next week. I'm not sure. Comment below and we'll figure it out. We'll practice singing, dude. You got to practice.